Here's the ongoing truth with Ford's sync updates. If you drive an F-150, you will eventually tangle with the world of software updates. This isn't just press and play like a smartphone. It's a wild west of USB sticks and mysterious progress bars. The average Ford owner Googles how to update sync at least twice a year after they notice their maps are out of date, or some favorite app just vanishes. Ford somehow makes this process feel like assembling IKEA furniture, simple at first, but often leaving you with an extra bolt. Step 1 is figuring out which version you actually have, Sync 3, Sync 4. Turns out Ford uses these labels like Starbucks sizes, confusing and only obvious to insiders. You check the settings menu. Ford's design team clearly has a sense of humor here. Now, for USB updates, you'll have to download the right file from Ford's website. Biggest pain point? The site will demand your VIN like you're accessing national secrets. Enter it wrong, and from experience, you'll feel judged by your truck. Download speeds are another saga. Even with high-speed Wi-Fi, these sync files are lumbering giants, sometimes up to 2 gigabytes. You can almost watch your beard grow as you wait for that progress bar to crawl to 100%. Once the download finishes, you transfer it to a USB flash drive, formatted FAT32, not exFAT or NTFS, mind you. One wrong format and sync acts like the stick doesn't exist. It's like cooking with a missing ingredient. Nothing happens, you just get very annoyed. Plugging into the truck, the update moment is either drama or comedy. Sync will claim, updating system, do not remove USB. You can drive while it updates, but each pothole in Portland has me picturing the process crashing mid-download. Total paranoia. Sometimes the update fails halfway, and you're left with a cryptic error code that's basically hieroglyphics. Ford's support will walk you through try turning it off and on again, like this is your grandpa's VCR. None of it comforts you. For those with over-the-air updates, lucky Sync 4 folks, the process is more painless. You get a notification, tap yes, and Sync does the rest. Pro tip, always connect to Wi-Fi before you begin, or you'll be burning through your precious data. After a successful update, some features magically reappear, like better voice recognition and fresher maps. In theory, you'll gain up to 30% faster response times on navigation and smoother phone pairing. In practice, it feels like your F-150 just aged backward by 2 years. Here's where the impact numbers come in. Ford claims 20 million vehicles are running sync in North America. That's a massive digital ecosystem, each update fixing bugs that affect thousands. Skipping one can lock you out of app integrations down the line. My advice, don't ignore those update prompts. Sync updates aren't glamorous, but they'll save you headaches and keep your ride feeling new. Want to avoid another night stuck at a dead map screen in Portland traffic? Take the hour. You won't regret it. If you hit a wall, there are always YouTube guides showing literally every step. USB image by USB image. Pour yourself some coffee, follow along, and at the very least, you'll end up knowing more about Ford tech than you ever planned. That's the real upgrade.